I'm going to try to get down to brass tacks. I know, in my own opinion, I tend to meander sometimes. Be that as it may, I'm going to put up 3 samples. You can see the links to the raw audio recorded by the FZone BM-800. It has a nice receptacle, or whatever you would call it, adapter. The stand is sold separately, but you can hang it upside down like that and record a combo amp on a floor. This mic is about $29 if I'm not mistaken. I know it's less than $30. I think it could be on sale for $22. Somewhere between $20 and $30 generally. It just struck me that I keep looking at the screen for monitoring, sort of to see where I'm at. And this is a self-contained camera that's not attached to the computer. Be that as it may. Okay, here are your 3 samples recorded by the BM-800 from FZone. The first is a Stagg SEL P90. It's an LP guitar with P90s, dual P90s. It's through a Peavey Bandit in the attenuation mode of 20 watts. The damping is tight. I've been experimenting with damping and trying to figure out what's going on with that, and haven't really come to any conclusions yet. So in that example, the first half, roughly half, is on the lead channel, and the second half is on the clean channel. So I have a listen or load the FLAC, the flac file into a wave editor and see what it looks like, see what it sounds like, see what you think. The next one is Davison G235 with the stock hump. It's a single pickup guitar with the stock humbucker removed and a P90 put in its place. And it's through a Monoprice 611 800 40 watt solid state amp on the drive channel. The third one is an Axel Marquee SRO with Alnico pickups. Alnico. It's got a single coil in the center, single coil in the neck, humbucker in the bridge, and that is through a Kustom PH1012. This is like the 10th time I've done this video. I want to try to do it all in one take pretty much. And I had all kinds of editorial commentary in previous attempts at this, but I'm going to leave all that out and just put the links, and just know that that's raw audio recorded through a Steinberg UR22 into Renoise, and see what you think. I have some ideas, but I don't want to color your perceptions. I will say that it's pretty cool that you can get a mic like this for less than $30. But bear in mind that you need phantom power, so it's not like one of those dynamic mics that you can just plug in and go. It's a condenser mic. Needs phantom power. Okay.